We're at Hat Head Bowling Club in Hat Head, which is a small coastal village on the New South Wales mid-north coast. It's a small bowling club, but also a massive tourist attraction in the summer holidays.
Because we're the only thing here, besides fishing and swimming and all the great things you want to do on holidays, it's somewhere where they can come and get together, have a few drinks, have a few laughs and play some barefoot bowls. We are an evacuation centre in Hat Head, so it's a place for locals and tourists to come if there was an emergency. We have got all the facilities that we need for them if there was an emergency. We even have had helicopters land here with food and things if we need to in that case. So it's really important for the community to have us here, I think, and use us. The club hasn't had a lot of updates or things for a long time. We've had a great progressive board that has come in and is looking to improve and make things better for the future for everyone.
Bringing it up to speed, making it a place that people want to come to and that want to stay here and that want to come back to.
So in the bar area, it's a lovely cosy area. It's very comfortable. Elderly people find the seats really comfortable. And then that transitions into the auditorium area where they can have functions and eat. But in saying that, the seats are still very safe, comfortable and well wearing. To know that those chairs that are the best that they can be for them is good for us. We like that. The other thing I really like about the chairs that we have purchased is that they're lightweight for the staff to carry around. So for the staff to move them, it's easy and it's not dangerous for them as well. If you do things properly the first time, you don't have to worry about it again, you know. And we're trying to set things up for the future generations of the club, you know, like the young ones coming through. Having things look nice, they tend to take photos for social media, they tag our club, which is good for us, and they're enjoying their time here.